Sadhvi and Pratham on stage to handle the garlanding program.
ನವರಾತ್ರಿಯ ನವದಾತ್ರಿಯ ಈ ಶ್ಯಾಮಲ ವನದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ
ಹಸುರಾದ ಕವ್ಯಾತ್ಮಂ ಹಸುರಾದುದು ಕವ್ಯಾತ್ಮಂ ರಸಮಾನ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ
ಎಂಬ ಕವಿ ಕುವೆಂಪು ಅವರ ಪದ್ಯದ ನುಡಿ ಸಾಲುಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆನಪಿನಂಗಳದಲ್ಲಿ ತೇಲಾಡುತ್ತಿವೆ.
ಈ ಸುಂದರ ಸಂಜೆಗೆ ಶೋಭೆ ತಂದಿರುವ ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರುವ ಸಮಸ್ತ ಗಣ್ಯಮಾನ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಮಾಲಾರ್ಪಣೆ ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಡಲು ಬರುತ್ತಿರುವ ಪ್ರಾಪ್ತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮರ್ಥ ಸಹಪಾಠಿಗಳನ್ನು ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಲು ಬಯಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
कुछ आराम करने
It is one of the best moments that gives us mind satisfaction. Cultureful people are always like to receive the guest, and it gives us one of the merciful situation. Garlanding that shows dignity and glory of the people, those who selected the way of God. Here we can see the God through Parama Pujya Sadguru Shivananda Swamiji. So here I would like to invite Mr. Kumbar sir to garland Swamiji. In the presence of somebody giving us such a wonderful experience and always getting enumerated positive vibes. Here it is Pujya Shri Sharana Basava Devaru. Here I would like to call up Mr. Chavan sir to garland Sharana Basava Devaru.
Thank you, Chavan sir.
Now I request all my 5th standard friends to garland today's chief guest, special guest and all dignitaries present over here.
you so much, Prapti and Samar. And thank you, Pratham and Sadhvi.
Next, I would like to call Shivani and Dhruva to handle the honoring to the chief guest.
It's our great honor to have you with us today. I know you did not need any introduction because you are the sculpture of humanity. So, for enlightening us with your words, here I would call upon Rohan brother to honor the guests.
It is our great honor to welcome. It is our great honor to welcome and felicitate our distinguished guests who have joined us today. We are thrilled to have the opportunity to recognize and celebrate their outstanding contributions in their respective fields. Firstly, we would like to welcome and felicitate today's chief guest, Professor S.L. Arbali sir, Associate Professor of Government First Grade College, Hunnur. Your dedication have inspired countless individuals and we are privileged to have you as a role model. Next, we would like to honor Dr. Somanath Bademi sir, pediatrician, Sneha Hospital, Banhatti, who has made significant contribution to the medical field. We also extend a warm welcome to Mr. Chidanand Bhavlati sir, President of Sai Playhome, Banhatti. Your contribution have made a lasting difference and we are delighted to recognize your achievements. Next, we would like to honor our one more guest, Mr. Ajay Bankar sir, Vice President of Sai Playhome, Banhatti. And also we would like to honor Mrs. Nandini Kulkarni ma'am, Secretary of Kids Kingdom Preschool, Banhatti. Now I request Appaji and all dignitaries to felicitate our today's guest, Professor S.L. Arbali sir, Dr. Somanath Bademi sir, Mr. Chidanand Bhavlati sir, Mr. Ajay Bankar sir, and Mrs. Nandini Kulkarni ma'am with shawl and book. And I request all guests to accept book as a symbol of our appreciation and respect.
Now, I would like to give some introduction about today's special guest. Firstly, I want to introduce Professor Shankar Lakshminath Arbali sir. He born on 26 November 1974. He completed his schooling in M.V. Pattan High School, Rabkavi in 1990 and completed PUC in SRAPU College, Banhatti in 1992. He continued his education in STC College, Banhatti and passed BA during 1995. He holds a master's degree in sociology and stood first rank to Karnataka University, Dharwad and won gold medal. Next, he joined as a sociology lecturer at a government degree college, Koppal. And also, he participated and presented research papers in state, national and international sociological conferences and seminars. Presently, he is working in Government Degree College, Hunnur, as an Associate Professor of Sociology. So, we are privileged to have you as a role model, sir. Next, I would like to introduce Mrs. Nandini R. Kulkarni ma'am. She born on Sagara, Shumoga district. She completed her primary and high school education in Talaguppa and also completed PUC and degree in Sagara. Then she acquired B.Ed degree in Bangalore and she started her teaching career in 2009 and has been working as a teacher ever since. And to provide better education to children, she started her own school named Kids Kingdom Pre-Primary and working as a secretary of that school and also working as a secretary of Karnataka Rajya Makkala Sahitya Parishad Banahatti. Your achievements demonstrate the power of hard work and commitment, ma'am. Next, I want to introduce Mr. Chidanand M. Baulati, sir. He is 36-year old. He completed his primary education in Basaveshwara School, Banahatti, and completed high school education in SSSBV School, Halingali. He is president of Sai Education and Social Development Society, Banahatti, and also president of Bhakti Pura Prathamika Shale, Banahatti. Now I introduce Mr. Ajay Kumar Bankar, sir. He completed primary education in Purna Pradnya School, Rampur, and completed high school education in SSSBV School, Halingali. And he completed ITI in JSS College, Banahatti. In 2011, four friends together started a home-based school named Sai Play Home for the first time in Banahatti to provide the English medium education to the children of the city at a low cost. Now, Mr. Chidanand Baulati sir serving as a president and Mr. Ajay Bankar sir serving as a vice president of Sai Play Home, Banahatti since from 13 years. We are honored to recognize your exceptional contribution to the society, sir. And finally, I want to introduce our one more guest, Dr. Somanath Bademi, sir. He completed his schooling in Banahatti and completed PUC in Karnataka Science College, Dharwad, MBBS in JN Medical College, Belgaum, and DCH in CPS, Mumbai.